How to become a Doordash driver in Indianapolis, plus top tips and insights from experienced Dashers. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Doordash in Indianapolis. Whether you're considering becoming a Dasher or looking to maximize your earnings, we've got the best tips and insights for you. Stick around to learn how to make the most of your Doordash experience in the Circle City. Step-by-step guide to becoming a Doordash driver. 1. Sign-up process. To begin, sign up with our referral code link provided in the comments. By using our link, you can take advantage of Doordash's referral bonus and be referred by the best referral driver team. You'll need to provide basic information like your name, address, and driver's license. 2. Background check. Next, Doordash will conduct a background check. This usually takes a few days. 3. Activation kit. Once approved, you'll receive an activation kit with a hot bag and a red card. This card is used to pay for some orders. 4. Setting up the app. Finally, download the Doordash driver app, log in, and you're ready to start accepting orders. Top tips and insights from experienced Dashers. Best areas to dash. Let's talk about the best areas to dash in Indianapolis. The East Side is definitely worth it, especially if the tips are good. East Side, worth it if tips are good. Busy hours and double orders. During busy hours, you'll often get double orders, which means more money in less time. Keep an eye on lunch and dinner rush hours. Use the Doordash app's hotspot feature to find the busiest locations. Acceptance rate and earnings. Dashers sharing their experience. Neighborhood insights. Being slightly picky about orders can pay off. One Dasher with a 32% acceptance rate makes around $40 an hour. Greenwood. Huge area, expect longer trips but consistent orders. Fishers, Carmel. Not bad, potential for $180 in 4 to 5 hours. Avon, Plainfield. Fancy areas with decent traffic and safety. Carmel on weekends. Highly recommended for good earnings. Washington Township. Good for lunch hours. Areas to avoid. Many Dashers avoid downtown due to parking issues and difficult customers. It's often more hassle than it's worth. Hidden perks. Did you know there's a DashMart store in Indianapolis? Sometimes, you can even snag free ice cream while waiting for an order. And there you have it, folks. Those are our top tips and insights for becoming a successful Doordash driver in Indianapolis. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy dashing! Comment below with your own tips and experiences. We'd love to hear from you.